How to change your key fob battery. Presented by Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated. Step 1. Push the silver button to release the inner key. Step 2. Place thumbs on either side of the line on the fob and pry it open. Notice that the plus side is up. Step 3. Press the black plastic to release the battery. Now put it back together with the new battery. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That way, next time you need a new key fob, you'll know where to go. Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated, we're here for you.